If you've ever used a paint program before, you've probably tried out the flood fill feature, where when you click in a region, it fills the whole thing with the same value. We're going to do the same thing with an array. We are going to declare an array, and then we're going to fill it up with a particular value, just so that there's something there. If we were to declare something like an array of integers, like this, new int array with say 1,000 values, every one of those values would be 0. But that's only true because this is a primitive type. For things that are not primitive types like strings, we can't do that. We won't get an initial value. Strings are declared with no value at all. Not even the empty string, they're declared as null. They don't point to anything. And so it's a good idea to go through, iterate through this array and put in a value for each spot, even if it's just the empty string, which is what we're going to do. So classic for loop for int I equals 0, and the reason we use I is for the word index. I want to iterate through from 0 up to, in this case, 999, but I'm not going to type that number in. Instead, I'm going to say run this loop as long as I is less than my strings.length, which will be the value 1,000. So less than 1,000 means it goes up to 999, so that's great. And we're going to increment by 1 each time. And each time through the loop, I'm going to stick a value into that spot, in for that element of the array. So I want to just assign my strings at I, so 0, 1, 2, and so on, equals, and I'm going to put the empty string, 2 double quotes. So that puts the empty string in every single spot of this array, one at a time from 0 up to 999, and now I can work with it in the rest of my program. And that's all.